Hi there, I'm Paul Clevitt, and I'm one of the directors of Wolf Software Systems Limited. Wolf.uk.com is our website, and I'm going to talk a bit about today with some software we've been developing. So we had a bit of a problem that we're mainly made up of the company's basically quite small, and we're made up of developers, and we kind of wanted to deal with the issue of things like people coming to our website and sending emails and chatting on the website, and it just going into sort of, originally we had HubSpot, but then we wrote our own CRM. But it was a bit of an issue because it takes time, and some of those people were spammers, and it's very hard to qualify people and to work around it. So I'm going to switch over to a little bit of a sideline. So we own a thing called Wolf Territories Grid, which is a huge virtual world. And inside Wolf Territories Grid, we've got a little robot called Bobby, and Bobby has been chatted to by people for about 2.5 years. So our chat GPT model that we've been training is actually pretty mature. So we decided to see what we could do with that in terms of dealing with having like a virtual receptionist. And we can obviously, this is completely built from the ground up for us, so we can actually customize it for your needs, for your website, or for your business. Even if you wanted to have like a live knowledge base where people can ask questions, we can do that. So it's a really useful tool. So I want to show you how it works and what sort of thing it does. So I'm going to start off by sending a quick email. And if you want to try him out, his name's Charlie Wolf, charlie@wolf.uk.com. Hi Charlie, how are you? I'm interested in some web dev. Okay, I'm just going to send a really general email, and we're just going to wait a second for it to come wandering back. Message sent, view message. So I've got this is a really standard Gmail account. Obviously, any email that you send to him, he'll get the message, and we just need to wait for him he's at the moment he responds quite quickly. Sometimes he'll respond a little more slowly. It depends on how he's feeling, really. Just going to keep refreshing till it turns up. So, what can I say while he's doing that? So while he's thinking about that, it will come back. Honestly, it will. He'll see my request. So what I'm going to talk about is what he does. So he's completely state aware. Now, what that means is that he remembers what you've said to him by using your email address. So basically, if you send him an email or talk on chat on a website, he ties the two things together, so he can quite easily carry on a conversation. So here it is. Here's my response. Hi there. Web development, bit of an introduction. Ready to help. Would you like a meeting? Okay. So what I'm going to do is to say Monday would be great. In fact, what I'm not going to do is I'm going to go and chat on the web. So let's chat with him here. And use my little old Google email address. Rubbish old number. So start chatting. Hi there. Okay, because it's much faster. So actually, I already have a meeting scheduled with him, and I can say who is attending that. Don't have to spell it right. Paul and Ian, along with Mike, because I told him Mike was attending. Mike can't make it. Sally is coming instead. Okay, so he's working that one out. Okay, and we need to make it Wednesday at 10. Okay, so you can see I can reschedule the meeting. I can do all kinds of things, and he keeps track of all that. And actually, if I then reply to this one, because I've actually got a meeting going, I could say, can you confirm our meeting? And he'll send. Then we'll wait for a response, and he'll actually come back with the meeting that we've just sent as me paying GitHub. So he'll actually respond to me via email, just as if I'd chatted to him on email. So he's able to process all this information. So yeah, we can add it to your website. We can have him as part of we've got our own chat system here. So yeah, it's quite a good tool. And okay, so thank you for reaching out. So confirm your meeting. Wednesday, April the 16th. Remember, just changed it. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it, and we can integrate it to everything because we built it from the ground up. The sort of thing that we do a little bit of web build, but mostly we do things like hyperconverged infrastructures, object storage, that sort of tech, and we can help you find the best fit for your tech. We also do some kinds of advice for people looking to move to the cloud because sometimes it's not always the best policy. And yeah, so if you're interested, just have a chat with Charlie, or send him an email, or you can just email us at sales@wolf.uk.com if you want to talk directly. So that's about it. So I hope that's helpful. wolf.uk.com is the company name, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Bye.